Taco Dash is the very first buy one take one taco joint here in Davao City, and we offer it at a very affordable price of 159 pesos.
Oh, buy
And
one
that's
take one.
yes po.
Wow.
So you know how other po taco joints offer just one taco and it almost costs about 120, 130. So you're buying both pieces for around 260 pesos.
Mm.
So we're trying to make or we're trying to solve the problem of affordability of Mexican food here in Davao City. Ano lang talaga, need namin nalagay namin yung pipino, kamatis pati kasi yung onions lang dati parang yung may term kami ginagamit ng girlfriend ko, which is partner ko rin sa business. Yung wow.
Wow, wow
So,
factor.
parang pagkagat mo parang kamusta yung product? Wow ba siya?
Ah,
Oo.